I was wrong about Apple. I admit it. Apple knocked it out of the park with the M1 chip. I've been watching a lot of the reviews because I'm not spending $1,000 to experiment on it myself. The reviews are very positive, and apparently it can run some out there programs like OBS. Like, you and I might use OBS, but the majority of people, no. So if OBS can run through that Rosetta 2 translation software, then maybe Serato can. I'm just gonna make a quick video of a few reasons why you should buy the new Apple M1 chips. Better battery life, obviously. Also better cooling, that's reason 2. Reason number 3, you get to be testing a product that is brand new technology, which is great for you. I don't like doing that. I like my products that I spend money on to work, but you get to be a beta tester. So good luck with that. Plus, you get to tell us if it works or not. Now, I've gotten several comments telling me that Serato works on the new M1 chips, so maybe it works. I cannot confirm, but there you go. What I can confirm is what the reviews have said so far, and it's better than the Microsoft Surface Go, which ran on a Qualcomm chip and ran on a version of Windows that was really cut down, which is entirely what we all expected for Apple to give us, a really cut down version of Big Sur, of Mac OS. They didn't. It's really good. It's really snappy. It works with everything that people have been throwing at it. Marquez pointed out a few programs that he tried that didn't work, but all right, that's not bad. A couple programs out of, probably 10 or so that have been tested, so probably 20% of programs don't work. So that's cool. So I guess the next reason is that it might be compatible with the programs that you need eventually. It also might be abandoned by Apple here in the next, year or two, and they'll have their M2 chip that's a completely new architecture built from the ground up, and we're moving on, and that M1 was a mistake, and we've got this better x86, ARM-based processor, and blah, 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 blah. Who knows? But the final reason is really simple. It's really snappy. It's really fast. It's like having a phone, but it's a computer that can do computer things, real work. It's really snappy, in addition to being great on battery life and not very hot. So if you need a computer because you go out to hot weddings and all that, it may be a good computer for you. You can't guarantee that it will work, so it's a $1,300 experiment for you to spend money on and find out if it works, and hopefully you leave down in the comments that, yeah, Serato did work through Rosetta 2. But so far, all Serato has said is it's not ready for Big Sur. So, sorry. Those are my reasons for getting the M1 chip. I am not getting it. It does not work for my workflow, but it may work for you. Maybe you check Facebook on a mobile laptop and that is your workflow. Personally, I can do, all the phone things on the phone, like checking emails, and I don't need a phone with a keyboard because I could do the phone stuff on the phone. I need a real computer that can do real computer stuff, so I'm not gonna buy the M1 chip. It just doesn't work for my workflow. It may work for yours. I'm not judging. I'm judging a little bit. I'm judging you so hard right now. You bought the M1 chip? Are you dumb? Are you so dumb? It's a great chip. It's a great computer. Apple did a great job with it, knocked it out of the park. It's cool, new technology that sips battery life. Really, good job, Apple. Let's see how long you support this device.